Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm looking at selling my Audi Q7, but one of the things I need to switch out is the fog lights. I put LED in here and thought this would be a good chance to show how to swap out or change your front fog lights with the Q7. The only thing you'll need is just your hands and a Phillips screwdriver. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is grab the hold of this trim piece and just give it, it's got some holes here for air for the, looks like just the cooling, but you can see you grab a hold of it, give a nice little tug, and just pop out, just like that. Then you should be able to see there are, so we see here, we got 3 screws, one here, and one back there. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and just remove the screws. So I have the bulb, the hole unit here. I'm going to unplug, and the light is out. And all you do is just an LED, but all I'm going to do is just unscrew the bulb and replace the new one. And just like any bulb, you don't want to touch it. This is just the standard incandescent bulb. And I'm going to grab the harness. Actually, you know, the first thing I'm going to do is grab the fog light. Make sure you line it up the notches. Push it in, turn it to locks. Then you can grab the harness, plug it in, and it snaps in. And basically reverse order is screw everything back in. So now that that's in, you can now replace it with the piece. And these have the tabs. Make sure you just lock the tabs back in. I like to start with the corner first and work our way in. Let's see. And it just pops back in. Give it a quick test. It's good to go. process on this side.